Hello there and welcome to 1215 Wood Street in West Oakland. This is a lovely up-and-coming area. This is a beautiful, beautiful two-bedroom townhouse. We've got 3 stories. Basement floor is the garage. We'll take a little look at that in a second. First, we're going to go on up to the main living quarter. Nice high ceilings. So in this room here, we've got a lovely big living room. Lots and lots of light, lots of space, beautiful hardwood floors, really nice lights fixtures in here as well. Really nice big kitchen, gas burning stove, lots of counter space, lots of closet space. Nice big refrigerator as well. There is a small deck outside. And there's also a really nice little parklet here for all of the residents. And I'm going to take a nice little peek here at the bathroom. Half bath here. Perfect for having on the main living quarters. Get another view of the living room here. And then we have these absolutely gorgeous stairs going upstairs. Refinished wood. Open plan, so everything feels really, really nice and open here. We've got 2 bedrooms upstairs, both of which have their own bathroom. We have our little guest, this is either a guest room, second bedroom, bathroom included. Small room here, nice amount of closet space, good sized room. Beautiful view overlooking the parklet. And then we'll go on into other bedroom. Here we go. A little bit larger room, nice sized. Again, lots and lots of light. Very cool fixtures in the ceiling here. Lots and lots of closet space as well. And another bathroom here. Really nice looking shower as well. And then let's go ahead and we'll take a little walk back through and go and visit the garage. Going down the stairs, aren't these gorgeous? Great view of the living room from on the stairs. You can really get a sense of how much space there is. This would be a great kitchen to cook in. Lots and lots of counter space. Perfect for all of your cooking needs. And then I'll take another walk down the stairs into the garage. Really, really big garage here as well. We have our second door here that gets into the garage. So we've got enough room if you wanted to have an office down here. There is an additional light source so that it doesn't feel like it's too dark. And then we'll go ahead and we'll take a little peek. Nice amount of space in here. We've got a washer dryer, lots of storage. And we're gonna just take one more little look from the outside, just so you can kind of have an idea of what the neighborhood looks like. Here's our front door. There's the lovely outside. Lots of mature landscaping here as well. which is really nice to see. And then here is the beautiful townhouse, all the way on up to the ceiling. And thank you so much for coming to join us. Bye.